Okay, number 1, solve 6 times the quantity 2x minus 4 equals 2 times 4x plus 5, so it's a multi-step equation. Going to use our 4 steps, so I'm going to distribute first. 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, equals 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times 5 is 10. Now there's nothing to combine because these aren't like terms and these aren't like terms, so I want to get the variables on one side. So I like to pick on the smaller variable, which is the 8x, so I subtract 8x because it's a positive 8x. 12x minus 8x is 4x. Bring down the minus 24, equals, that cancels, bring down the 10. Then to get the variable, by itself, I need to get rid of the minus 24, so I add 24, which gives me 4x equals 34. Then divide both sides by 4. So I get x equals 34 over 4, but you should reduce that down because 2 goes into both of those. So x equals 17 over 2 is the best answer. Number 2 is a proportion. 2x minus 6 over 3 equals 3x plus 2 over 5. So I'm going to multiply diagonally, so I got 5 times the quantity 2x minus 6 equals 3 times the quantity 3x plus 2. So it's actually just like the problem we just got done doing, so I'm going to distribute first. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30, equals 3 times 3x is 9x, 3 times 2 is 6. Again, not like terms, so I can't combine them on either side. So the smaller variable is the 9x, so I do the opposite, so I subtract 9x. 10x minus 9x is just x or 1x. Got to bring it down as a minus 30. Equals 6. Then to get the variable by itself, I got to add 30 to both sides. I get x equals 36. 3 says solve 14 is less than 6x minus 4, which is less than 50, so it's a compound inequality. I want to get the variable by itself in the middle, so it's not by itself because it's being multiplied by 6 and minus by 4. So I get rid of the subtraction first, so I add 4 to the front, middle, and back, which gives me 18 is less than 6x, which is less than 54. Then to get rid of the 6, I've got to divide everything by 6. So I get 3 is less than x, which is less than 9.